Okay, pupils, we are on Year 6 Academy Stars Workbook on page 33. We are on Unit 3. So Lesson 6, Learning to Learn. So Activity 1, imagine you went to an adventure camp. Complete the mind map. So you need to take note that all the contents here, you need to use on pages 34 to 35. So make sure you plan it properly. So this is using mind map. And then the first one, so maybe we write the date first before others. So the date, so is when. So I will choose the date as 11th May. So I want to emphasize on this one. So 11 is using TH rather than ST. So maybe previously you learned about first, so ST. So this is a short form for the first, and then 21st. So maybe you heard before 21st century. So this is at ST. And then you will need to differentiate with 11. So this 11 is TH. So some they write upper a bit. So it's also correct. So TH, we followed the workbook format. So TH. So take note on this one. So I choose a date 11 May. So next one, we will choose the where. So where is it? So you can write adventure camp. So because on page 34, the adventure camp or the first alphabet here we will use uppercase rather than lowercase. So adventure camp. So we write the A and the C as uppercase rather than lowercase. So adventure camp. So maybe I focus a bit. Adventure camp. And then here in Braga. So basically Braga has a campsite called Paradise Valley. Maybe you went there before. So it has a lot of adventure activities. So later we'll explain further. So this is just a quick note on this one. And then we go to who with. So this one may be your friends. So you can state it as friends. So your friend's name. So I choose David and Justin. So it's better you write in full and rather than using a symbol. So David and Justin. And then new activities. So the first one, kayaking. And then followed by flying fox, right? So flying fox, you will need to write it as uppercase for flying, for the alphabet F, and then fox also in uppercase. Because if you use lowercase, it is an animal rather than this special noun here. So flying fox, right. And then we go to the third activity, wall climbing. So this is also another challenging activity. So on the next pages, we will use only these two activities rather than three. So in later pages, I will explain further. And then the feelings. So feelings may be amazing, and then maybe scared. And then nervous. So that's it for this page. So we are on Year 6 Academy Stars Workbook on page 33. So that's it. So if you're okay, you can subscribe here. And then you can watch the related videos here. And then right below this video, there's a link. You can click it. And then you can join my diagram robot that I developed.